Welcome back to my channel. We're now on step 2 of bag 3. I built the steering blocks with the axles in the previous video. I mentioned that there was a little bit of play in them. I have actually revisited them and it turned out I needed a 1mm shim just to eliminate that play, so I'm happy with those now. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be fitting the caster blocks, steering arms and the steering blocks together. So we've got a left and a right side to do. So first of all we take our steering arm, and what we're going to do here is we're going to fit the steering block, the steering block arm to it. So we're going to do that. Get the right one, fit it that way. Now there are two nuts, two screws to use here. We'll be using an M3x8 and an M3x6. It's the M3x6 that goes innermost. So I'm going to place that in and just get the thread started on there. There we go. And then fit the M3x8 outermost. There we go. That's going in nicely. Now these are mirrored. So having fitted one, don't need to watch me do the other one, so I'll do that one off camera. Try and keep these videos as short and sweet as possible, and no need to repeat things. There we go. So I've completed one side and I'll do the other one off camera. Let's put those parts to one side. Now we've got the caster blocks here, and get this one oriented the same way as it shows in the manual. There we go. So that's the left hand side, and what we're going to do is we're going to fit the caster block insert. So the caster block insert goes in from behind. I'm using the 5-degree ones as recommended in the instructions, and these, they've got a little tab on them, so probably can't see in the video, but there's just a little tab, and if you want positive caster you have the tab uppermost, and if you want negative you have the tab downwards. So I'm going for +5 degrees, so the tab is upwards and that just pushes nicely into there. And then we've got 10mm heavy duty ball stud that pushes in, and the plastic part here is actually on the back of it. It's got a moulded in hex, and we're using M3 lock nuts. So if I push the M3 lock nut into the moulded hex, I can hold that in place, and then we can adjust these just using the hex driver. That's screwing in there. Now there are two positions here, and I've got it in the outermost position as shown in the instruction manual. So there we go. I've assembled the caster block and we've got a fully built steering arm. Off camera I'll put the other side together, and then we'll be putting those two components together in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.